Hi everyone. So going to bring it back to actually food and data here. My name is Hardison and I'm with Parsons. But I'm here today to talk about Food Oasis LA, which is a data-driven website to bring collective action for social change. So Food Oasis LA was done as part of Hack for LA, which is part of Code for America. If you're not familiar with Code for America, it was started in 2009, and the idea is to use technology, to leverage technology to create positive social change. As you can see, there are a lot of brigades, not just in the US, but throughout the world, and ours is called Hack for LA. There are 2 in LA now. So the way that the brigades are run is it's set up as a hack night, and that's an event once a week. Here you are, where we come together, an idea is pitched for a way to make our communities better, and then we all sort of hack and try to throw that together to change the world. And so our group, when we came, it was pitched, how do we solve the problem of food deserts in Los Angeles? So we set out to discover first, what is a food desert? So a food desert is a low-income, low-access area with people having to go more than 1 mile for food, and these in the light pink are the food deserts in Los Angeles, and you can see that really plays out. So these markers here are the grocery stores, and very conspicuously missing from the food deserts, which makes it really hard, of course, for low-income communities to access healthy food. When we began our research, we thought we would start by trying to solve the problem and realize that there are actually tons of people trying to solve the problem already in Los Angeles because it's one of the nation's largest food insecure areas. And so we decided to come up with an app that maps the food for sale, the food available for free, and the food that you can grow. The idea was if you go on Yelp, you can of course find grocery stores and healthy restaurants, but you can't find those other resources like food pantries, free summer lunch for kids, etc. So how do we put that all on one platform? This is the team that put together the app, the core team. And one thing I really wanted to point out was that we were able to leverage really disparate groups. So I'm an architect, people were developers, project managers, UI, UX, urban planning, and then as the team grew, fundraisers, people doing public relations, but volunteers throughout the city and the county were able to come together to put together this resource for free, and then to do events throughout the city to get more volunteers, spread the word, visiting even the planning department and community offices. So you can really see the effectiveness of that network effect, just people with disparate backgrounds coming together and really sort of magically pooling resources to make something happen. So it's sort of, the initial idea, sort of the women's movement shot here, everyone has sort of a crazy idea and just a journal angst, and then coming together to make it something as solid as, say, a community garden. So this is the app, or it's a website that's designed to function like an app, so we're not drawing too much on the data from people's phones, and that was it. Wow, that's a fascinating.